Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the 18th session, we will do a flat interactive story map. Thank you for watching. Go to the ArcGIS story map and sign in to ArcGIS story map account and set your username and password. Click sign in. Go to new story and click start from scratch. Also add your cover image or video for your cover page. For the story map, which is about the water level and the flood of Kelantan, and you can use the picture of a flood that happened in Kelantan to be the cover page. You click add. The cover page will be appear on the upper cover, and then you need to give the title of the story map, which is the title of this story map is Kelantan Potential of Flood. And next, you need to give the summary for this story map, which is a new knowledge about natural disasters involving community in Kelantan, and also you can adjust the font to be more clear and nice in the column title. And next, for the next part, you need to create the introduction using title 1 to title your introduction, and then add another text to add your the full introduction about this story map of the analysis that you are doing. Next, we need to create a text for chronology, which is the timeline for the story that happened or the flood in Kelantan, and add the timeline into the story map and give the date of the timeline, such as for December 2040 that the first big flood happened in Kelantan, and then state the summary for the story of December 2040, and then you can add the picture of that story happened. And the next date that happened for flood in Kelantan is for December 2016 until January 2017. Put the summary of that day and give the image also for that day. You can also add another timeline or make the story long, and then you need to go and add the video link for visualize your story map, which is get the link from another website or a YouTube website, and add the sidecar or add your analysis map from ArcGIS Pro to story map. Click save, and in here just add 8 and click on map and choose the map, and the map will be appear in the story map. And this is the all result for the story map. And the chronology will tell you the flood happened, which is from 2014 until 2020. in January. And this is the river station for every point of station in the analysis. And then this is the map of result about the water level analysis in IDW. Show the differences of the color between the height level of the IDW. And this is for water level 2018 map for IDW analysis in ArcGIS Pro. So the next one is water level for 2019 in ArcGIS Pro, and the last one is for water level 2020 map for IDW analysis. And next we go to the map using SQL method that will locate the location that we select using the SQL language and type on the box over the SQL. This is used in the ArcGIS Pro. And next we go to the water level threshold, which is we tell the low water level is in the measurement meter, which is 0 until 20 meter, and the highest water level is over the 20 meters. And this is the factor of the flooding, which is the first is because of the heavy rainfall, and the second hilly topography, and the third uncontrolled land development, and fourth deforestation, and the fifth indicative infrastructure development, and the last one is for the climate change. It is all about the analysis in ArcGIS Pro that we get, and we make the interactive story map to input the map of IDW analysis that we analyze in ArcGIS Pro. That's all. Thank you for support. Bye bye.